Hi guys, Kat here. Tonight I'm gonna be making a Lao traditional dish. It's called Laab. Laab is it's like a salad with meat and herbs. And there's many versions of how you make this, and you can do it with all types of meat. You can do it with pork, beef, chicken, even fish. Okay, but tonight I'm gonna make it with ground beef. Okay, so let's begin. Alrighty. Here what I have is some cooked ground beef that's just been seasoned with some chicken bouillon. That's all, nothing else but chicken bouillon, and cooked and then drained off all the fat. Okay, and then you want to wait till this is cooled down, right? Once it's cooled down, you're going to add these ingredients. We have chili peppers, Thai chili pepper, some galangal, kaffir lime leaf. This is what a kaffir lime leaf looks like. Okay, garlic, lemongrass, and beef tripe that's been also cooked, pre-cooked already. Okay, so basically I just boiled it with plain water. I didn't add any seasoning, nothing, so just boiled it and then slice it like this. Okay, so beef tripe, and then you're also gonna need some mint and herbs. This is Vietnamese mint. Okay, Vietnamese mint. This here is garlic leaves, like this. If you don't have garlic leaves, this is optional. You can use green onions. Okay, so garlic leaves and mint. All right. Okay, I'll tell you the rest of the seasoning as we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, most importantly, you gotta have this for this dish. This is a seasoning called Laab Namtok seasoning. Okay, it come in different brands. They come in this brand here, Lobo brand, and also this brand. Okay, dragonfly, right? Yeah, dragonfly brand. Okay, so it's called Laab Namtok seasoning. All right. Okay, so here is our ground beef, already cooled. Okay, and we're gonna add all these seasoning into it. All right. So the lemongrass, garlic, kaffir lime, the galangal, chili, and the tripe. Okay, all that in there. And I'm going to use this brand. Okay, so any brand that you can find will work. Use this brand because it's already open. All right, so I'm going to use, let's see, about 2 tablespoons. Okay. I'm gonna add some roasted rice powder. All these ingredients you can find at the Asian grocery store. Okay, so let's do 1 and 2 to begin. And MSG. If you don't put MSG, it's not gonna taste as savory. That's why I like to add MSG, but this is totally optional. Okay, so tablespoon MSG. Toss and mix this, thoroughly mix it. You can hand mix it or use this, do what I'm doing. Okay, and we're also going to add this. This is Pantai's fish sauce. Okay, it's like our Laab padek. Okay, if you can't find this, then just use regular fish sauce. But I totally recommend using this because this brings out a lot of yummy flavors. Okay, so let's put 1, 2. Okay, and then give it a good toss. Mix everything in there. Okay, so once it's thoroughly mixed, we're gonna add our mint and herbs. Okay, so our mint, the garlic leaves, and the Vietnamese coriander. Add as little, as much as you like. I like mine with a lot of herbs, so I'm gonna add all of it. Then just give it a light toss. You don't want to like smush or smash the herbs. Just lightly mix it in there. And basically, this is done. Just taste. If you want more salt, you add more of the fish sauce. Or if you want it more sour or more seasoning of this Laab Namtok, then you use this, okay? And this is totally optional. I had some chicken earlier, and this is the chicken skin that I deep fried to crispy chicken cracklings. I'm gonna toss this in here. This will give it a nice flavor and texture to it, but totally optional, okay? And that's it. My lighting is really no good today because it's so dark right now. It's like 11 p.m. guys. Should be sleeping, but can't sleep, so decided to make this. Okay. And voila, Laab beef. And all this here goes really good with our Laab. We have some Thai eggplant, radish. This is kohlrabi radish. It tastes kind of like a turnip / cabbage. It's sweet, crunchy, really nice vegetable. This here is my favorite. Go with Laab is Vietnamese fish mint. Got some more mint, more of the coriander and cilantro. Got some rice, romaine lettuce. You can also eat it with cabbage, green leaf lettuce, cucumbers. All those goes really nice with this. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so I put some in the romaine lettuce. All this explosive flavors in one bite, so good. Eat it over rice. Delicious. Delicious, guys. And enjoy this. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.